Hi, Kiana. All right, so I'm going to try and do your reading video because your mom sent me a message and I can tell that you guys are trucking along. So we'll just go over a few things that we're doing in reading. First, we're reading the story Sticky Fingers. It's in your reading book. After this week, I need you to bring that reading book back. We're going to do our new reading book. I'm going to put it in your packet for next week. So Sticky Fingers is what we are covering. And it's a really cute story about a little boy and his brother who are playing, and they have something that belongs to their mother, and it gets lost, and then we find out what happens to it. So if you are getting your work done, the first page for the first day is this one. This one is where you are going to write a little story. I want to see good handwriting. Just write me 3-4 sentences about what you would eat in a treehouse. The boys each told me different things about a sandwich they might eat and what they would eat with it, like a plum or a banana. And make sure you're using capital letters at the first part of your sentence and a punctuation at the end of your sentence, whether it be a period, an exclamation mark. I don't think you would need a question mark, but if you want to, you have that. On the back, you're going to tell me what is happening in these pictures, and then you're going to answer the questions here in these 3. You're going to pick the right word. There was one that the boys in our class had trouble with. It was this one on the bottom here. So look closely to this one on the right here, because that one was a little tricky for them. And then today we did this one. So I graded them on this side right here because I wanted them to do to tell me who they remembered said what. And then on the other side, this is the one your mom actually sent me a message. So this is a grape, A. This is a key, E. This is a kite, ite. This is a bow, own. This is a flute, oo. A, E, I, O, U. So which one of these have the different sounds? This is a R. This is a snail. This is a scent, a toe. So you're just going to color it, whether it's blue, orange, yellow, green, purple, based on what this vowel sound, the A, the E, the I, the O, or the U vowel sound. That's what you're going to do for this page. Let's see. This is the one you're going to do who said what. You're going to circle the face, who said it. So you might need your book to look at it to help you. And then you're going to tell me the number order of events. So you're doing story sequence. And then on the back side, then we're going to talk about syllables. So rabbit has 2 syllables. Sunday has 2 syllables. Chipmunk has 2 syllables. My name is Cassandra. Cassandra has 3 syllables. So those are the ones. We'll probably play with a bunch of different words and talk about the syllables in the words. And that is, I think that's it. I think we only have 3 days of work, and then read the story twice. So that should be a good way to do that. And while you're reading, look for things that you already know. So look for connections about moms and dads, and how did they act in the story that honors God? How did they act in the story that they can learn lessons from and not do again? Just looking at the story and thinking about what happened and who they are in each part of the story, whether they're learning a lesson or growing or teaching a lesson, or they're mad or they're happy or they're sad, so that you can identify things about the story. It's always good to look at the pictures, and as you're looking at the pictures, you're going to make inferences. So that word inference means that you're going to guess what's happening in the story. That's a really important reading tool for you. So every time you read a story, you look at the pictures and infer what's going to happen. And then bring that book back on Friday, or whatever day, because you're going to be getting a new book. It's the Reading 2, and it looks like this. It has an owl on it. It's blue. I'm going to put it in your package because we're going to start with that, and I'll tell you what page we're on when we get to that. So that's it. That's what we're doing for reading. I hope that helps you. I hope you can get all that done. And if you have any questions, let me know.